Steakhouse in Walnut Creek, California. It's Easter weekend, so it's going to be a special dinner there for tonight, so we'll see. Hopefully it's good. We like Ruth's Chris, but it's our first time going to Fleming's, so we'll see if it's better.
They say it's better than Ruth's Chris, man. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Got better stars on Yelp. We'll see, y'all.
We'll show you the food when we get there.
Look at that, y'all. That's the car from Cobra. Sylvester Stallone, my favorite movie. That's one of the greatest cars ever, a 59 Mercury.
The menu starters. These are Caesar salads. First course. How did you like the salad, babe?
Oh, it was real good. A little Caesar salad. You know, I'm used to ranch, but went on and tried the Caesar this time.
Yep, we'll clean the plate.
Record.
This is the blueberry lemon drop. Really, really good. Yep.
Bobbin?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah, I tasted a sip of it. It was cool.
And the Caesar salad was good, so everything's good so far. And the bread, it's real soft.
Nice soft bread.
Got the butter.
Don't know what that other stuff is. But yep.
Super good, super yummy. Oh my God, this mac and cheese.
Smack.
Super good, super yummy. My husband. Super good, super yummy.
Shrimp with crab in it, y'all. Shit good.
This is the Ubi chocolate butter cake.